all that, the most important thing we doctors tell, especially breast specialists, that everybody should do self-breast examination. Now, there's so many millions of ladies in there. So if everybody start coming to the OPD, it will be very difficult, if you have to ask everybody to go to doctors. So what we want, that is not possible also. There are so many things which look like a disease, but they are not disease. There is a fear of cancer, and so a lot of people without even knowing, just for very simple reasons, start coming to the OPDs. This is a burden for the doctor also and a burden for the society. So I would like to send a message to all the female when they should come for their clinical checkup. Most important thing which we tell that, do a self-breast examination. What is a self-breast examination? Self-breast examination is a lady who examines her own breast, especially if you are menstruating. Then 5 to 6 days after menstruation, the breast is very supple. At that time you should examine all 4 quadrants with the flat of your hand, and there are few things which you look for, and if you find those symptoms, any signs, in that case you should come to the doctor. Now what you should look for when you are doing a self-breast examination, what are the alarming symptoms? When should you go to a doctor? The very important thing, if you are having a pain, let me tell you, every 4th woman suffers from some or the other kind of breast pain during her this reproductive age. Okay, so pain is most of the time cyclic pain, we call it. So this is generally related to hormone changes in our body. So don't get scared of the pain. Pain is most of the time is not associated with cancer. People generally associated pain with cancer, but no, 90% of the breast tumor and cancer are painless. So most common cause of pain is cyclical, and this is hormonal. Second, pain could be because of infection or some trauma. Or most of the time, even the pain is not coming from the breast. It is some maybe costochondritis or muscular pain which a lady is suffering. Suppose she's got fibromyalgia, we call it a general body pain, and generally female associated it with the breast. So when you are doing self-breast examination, you just feel for if any tender point is there or not. If the whole breast is paining and both the breasts similar pain, or sometimes one side more, but there is no particular spot, in that case nothing to worry, because when there is an infection or there is a painful condition, it will be localized most of the time. So pain, we keep it aside. So if you are having pain and if you do not find any particular spot, or there is no redness, or there is no pus secretion, or there is no tender point means whenever you touch and then pain, then there is nothing much to worry about. Second thing, when you are palpating, is a tumor. If you feel a hard mass in your breast, you are feeling with the flat of your hand and you feel hard mass, and in that case you should, this is one symptom, you should you should come to a doctor. Another thing is that when you do a slight massage and little bit of secretion comes out, so there is nothing to worry about that, because breast is a gland and secretion will be there. So multiple duct from both the breast, in both the nipple, if little secretion is coming on squeezing, whitish or greenish, then don't worry. But if a single duct when you're squeezing, or your dress is getting soiled with a single duct, single nipple, and it is blood, absolutely frank blood, take a cotton and just touch it, and if it is showing that is a clear blood, in that case it can be infection, it can be tumor, and the tumors may not be malignancy. 80% time it is just a simple papilloma. So don't panic, but yes, if there is blood, in that case you should go to a doctor. This is the time you should go to a doctor. Another thing is that if nipple is normal and it is getting retracted, in that case this is also a sign that there is some problem is there. The commonest problem is infection actually. Mastitis is the commonest cause. The infection, because of the infection, the nipple gets drawn inside and gets inverted. So another problem is that when there is, but if it is associated with infection, there will be pain. But if it is painless, simple retraction of the nipple can be very scary, because that is one of the symptoms of malignancy. Another thing is change in the skin color. If the skin is thickened, skin is red and without any pain, then that is something very scary. That could be a symptom of malignancy or sign of malignancy. If you have breast is looking normal, but you've got a large gland in the axilla, but that can be because of infection. The tuberculosis can be there, lymphoma can be the other cause of cancer, but breast cancer can sometimes present with large lump in the axilla, which may not be painful. So these are the common symptoms which we generally see that when you're doing self-breast examination. If you find these symptoms like pain is I'm just taking down pain, for pain if it is tender, in that case you should come. Tenderness when you touch and then the particular site is painful, and in that case, otherwise simple pain you may not go to a doctor. This is for simple nostalgia, for that you do not need active treatment. If you have got a lump, definitely you should go to a doctor. If you have got any redness of the skin or there is some very tenderness, in that case you should come. If nipple discharge, especially blood is there, you should come. And if the detraction of the nipple is there, and if there is an axillary, there is. But let me tell you, sometimes during development there is an axillary fold, we call that. There is some swelling in the axilla. Sometimes at one side, sometimes at both the side, but that is axillary fold and axillary tail we call that. That is not a disease, but a lot of people get scared. They think it looks like a lump in the axilla, but it's an axillary tail. They generally are there during puberty and they become more prominent during pregnancy and lactation. So don't get scared that this is some kind of tumor. It is soft and it remains like that. But unless and until it becomes painful or it is too big, that does not require any kind of surgery. So only hard mass in the axilla, in that case it can be tumor that we call the lymph nodes or a tumor. So these are the symptoms when a self-breast examination, you should go to